Hi, today let's make tasty mango pudding. Very simple to make. It's just done in 4 ingredients, and in the mango season, it's definitely a must. In a blender, you need to add in milk. Then you need to add in chopped mangoes or mango puree, completely up to your choice. Next, I'm adding in sugar. You can add in the sweetener of your choice and then blend it into a smooth puree like this. Now, heat a pan and then transfer the puree in this pan and start mixing it. When the puree starts bubbling up, that time what you need to do is add in the corn flour slurry and then give it a good mix. This mixture will start thickening up, so give it a good mix until this mixture doesn't stick to the pan. That is a time where you will know it's ready to be the gas is ready to be switched off and transferred into a mold. So this is the consistency. Switch off the gas at this stage. Once, just wait for 1 to 2 minutes and transfer it to a bowl or serving shape, whichever shape you need, to a mold, and then refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, and then you can serve it cold. Your tasty mango pudding is ready to serve. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy!